Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Please respond.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, Farah. Catherine, Hasina,
Good evening,
Meghna,
sir.
are you here?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Good evening. Anisha, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Meghna,
Good evening, sir.
Sindhu.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so today we will learn about the coding. We have already discussed about the coding, but again, we will discuss about the coding based upon the quartile deviation. So now I am giving you the data. So this is the data. I think this is visible to all of you. So please you write this data on your Excel file. I am working on mobile, so you can do the same thing on mobile instead of the laptop. You can use the Google Sheet.
Sir, it is not visible.
Thank you. I want voice from you. I think now it is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
So please you write it. Completed?
No, sir.
Okay. Now you calculate the quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. And please you tell me your answer. Done. Done. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, now tell me, Shindu, what is the quartile 1?
Sir, quartile is 19.595.
Hmm?
19.595, sir.
Quartile 1.
Range you're asking, sir?
What you have written? What is the command you have written?
Is equal to quartile. I wrote the range and then put comma 1, sir. Then I
So
got
what
the
is the
answer as
range?
19.5.
Yes. What is the range? What is the range?
Sir, I didn't calculate 0. Sir, range is 6.212 to 19.595. Range, I took it as like A2 to A13, sir.
Okay. Can you share the screen now?
Yes, sir.
So I am making you host. Huh? Okay, Shindu, now you are the host.
Okay.
You show me. You click 14. You click 14. What is 19.596? You click it. What you have written? A2 to A13. Your data from A2. Okay. To A13. Is it 6.21? Oh, 1 sec. 1 sec. I am telling the number. Okay. Just to check.
Okay, sir.
8.2, 21.31,
Yes, sir.
38.81,
Yes, sir.
34.58.
I missed this number, sir.
So, yes. So, please you change.
Next is 61.4149, sir. Next is 42.
61,
Next
okay.
is 65.97.
38.81,
Next is 43, then 44, 71.44, 14.45, 38.83, 6.
6.21, right? So, how many data are there? Just to check how many data. Yes, now your Q1 is changing, correct. Okay. And the Q2 is 38.83. Q3 is 44. Is it correct? Shindhu? Hello, Shindhu. What happened, Shindhu? Maybe her link failure. Is there anyone? Sujan?
Yes, sir. No.
Can you share your screen now
Yes,
with
sir.
this data? Have you written that data?
Yes, sir. Can you make me the host, sir?
Yeah, I'm making you host. Okay, now you show the data. Now you are the host. Mhm. Now you assign the code. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you please tell me the formula, sir? Go it directly. The range.
And you have to assign the code that is which is under Q1, which will be the Q2, which will be the Q3, which will be the Q4. No, what is the formula? No, John.
Please tell me the formula, sir.
No, you have to write the formula.
Yeah, please.
You try, then I will guide you. Keep command will be there. Then but that is only for the quartile 1.
Yeah, sir, with this formula.
Now you check it. Enter.
I am getting this error. I'm getting an error, sir. Too many arguments for this function.
Yes, because it is a multiple ifs will be there.
What's a multiple?
Multiple if.
Okay.
So, but you have not written the class interval. So please you write the class interval below. First you write the class interval. What is the class interval? Q1 21.31, Q2 38. So what is the class interval?
Yes, it's a class interval.
Now you assign the code. No, here 6.21 to 21.31. What will be the code? Correct. Now you go to the C1, yes. Then equal to if bracket A2 less than 21.31, comma 1, comma if bracket A2 less than. Now you solve. No, otherwise 4. So 3, comma 4. Then bracket. Now you check. Don't full stop and enter. Now you copy paste. First you have to copy. Okay. Now you check whether it is okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
21.31, that is 1 you have written. But here your formula says 2. Why? Again 38.8. That is okay. In case of 21.31, we have written so less than or equal to, right?
In place of all these things less than or equal to.
No, not for others. Because same data you will find. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Now you check whether it is okay or not.
It's correct, sir.
Correct? So you please explain why the formula is like this, because your friends are here, they will follow. So please you guide them. What is the meaning of A2? What is the meaning of 21.31, 38.83? What is this? So how do you frame this if command? So please you tell so that your friends can understand.
So we have to find the quartiles for each of these given these things, each of these numbers. So for that, what we will do is we'll use the if function, saying that if A2 is less than or equal to 21.31, then we'll go with first quartile. It will go with first quartile. And if it is not, it does not satisfy that the previous one, we will go with the next this one. That is, if A2 is less than 38.83, that will be second quartile. If that also doesn't add, if that also doesn't match with the number, then if A2 is less than or equal less than 44, then it should be 3. Else, if it's greater than that, it should be 4. So that will give these numbers.
Sujan, you have missed the first part. That is the class interval. You have not. So please you tell students that is the how to make the class interval.
So we will find this quartile 1 to 4 and quartile 0 as well. So from quartile 0 to 1, that is 6.21 to 21.31. We will give it as quartile 1. From 21.32 to 38.83, that will be second quartile. Based on these class intervals, we will put these if formulas.
Okay. So now you find out how many 1, how many 2, how many 3 by using the count command. Now you write down D23. You go to the D23. D22. D22. Okay. You write down not the equal to. You write down frequency. Now you calculate how many 1, how many 2. How? You have to find out how many 1, how many 2, how many 3, how many 4. It will be count EAP. Total how many data? So why you have prompt $sign? Please you tell so that your students, your friends can understand.
I have used the $sign so that the range doesn't change when I drag this thing below rows as well, below cells as well. If we don't put the $signs, the range gets changed when we're dragging it to the other cells.
So what is the meaning of $C and $2?
We lock the cells there actually, using the $sign.
Okay. So everybody has understood how to code based upon the quartile deviation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you give me some time, at least for 5 minutes, for learning the theory of probability. Okay. You can take water. Just you give me 5 minutes time, then I will start the probability theory. Okay. I think you have taken adequate rest. So now I will start the next lecture, that is the probability theory. Farah, are you here? Hello,
Yes,
Farah.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Thank you. So now I am sharing the screen. So please you read it.
Okay, sir. Probability theory, a branch of mathematics concerned with the analysis of random phenomena. The outcome of a random event cannot be determined before it occurs, but it may be any one of it may be any one of several possible outcomes. The actual outcome is considered to be determined by chance.
Okay, one second.
Yes.
So what we have understood, first one, that probability theory is a branch of mathematics. Okay, with the analysis of random phenomena.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
the outcome of a random event cannot be determined before it occurs. For example, you have the coin, and one side is head, again another side is head. Okay, so your repetition does not change the outcome. So coin tossing, repeated coin tossing cannot change the outcome. Okay, so that this is not at all called the random issue. So this is not the probability model. It is basically the deterministic model. Because before coin tossing, you have the knowledge. That is what will be the outcome. Okay. Now you did the next one.
Yes, sir. Deterministic experiment is one whose outcome may be predicted with certainty beforehand, such as combining hydrogen and oxygen, or adding two numbers such as 2, 3. A random experiment is one whose outcome is determined by chance.
Okay. So
Yes,
in case of the deterministic experiment, outcome may be predicted. Now, in that context, you have the coin and both side is head or both side is tail. So that is the deterministic experiment. And what is the probabilistic? Now you read the next one.
Yes, sir. In probability theory, an experiment or trial is any procedure that can be infinitely repeated and has a well-defined set of possible outcomes, known as the sample space. An experiment is said to be random if it has more than one possible outcome, and deterministic if it has only one.
Correct. I think everybody has understood this one. Next.
Yes, sir. Throwing a die, tossing a coin, rotating a spinner, and drawing a card from pack of playing cards are all examples of probability experiments. Note that a trial produces one and only one outcome from all the possible outcomes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Farah. So, students, do you have any question? Okay, now will show you probability sampling. So Sujan, are you here? Hello, Sujan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you open your laptop, this MS section. Where are you? Okay, Sujan, may I make you host?
Yes, sir. Excel, sir.
Yes. I am making you host. Now you display. Okay. Now you write D. Okay, shit, very good. Okay. Just alphabetical order from A to Z. A to Z. From A to.
What to do, sir? A to Z?
You click A to. Yes. You write down A. Next B. In this manner, you go to Z. It is not work. Very good. So how many data are there? How many? So these are the individuals, okay? So 26 individuals are there. And this A, B, C, D is their code. So you write down ID in A1. You write ID. That is identification code. And in the B, yes, you write down random number. So you have plan, that is you have the 26 individuals, and out of that you will select only the 5 individuals. Okay. Then what you can do, you can write down equal to rand between, not the random, rand between. That is already written there. You follow. Rand between 1,5. You have to fix the number, so you write down the fixed random number. So just copy and then paste special. No. Only this random number. Copy and then paste special is the value. Okay, now you write down the fixed random number. Okay. And now you write down selection. In D, write down selection. So you have to select the first individual. So you go to the one that is 10, GHI. You go to the, so you can select the first one, that is the I. That means D10. D10. There you can write down yes. Like that. Again, you can take. No. All not all one. You can take only first one. And then you have to take the number 2. That is the maybe the first one. First AA. Then you have to take the 3. Yes, right. Next. So each individual has equal chance to be selected. So that is the basic assumption of the probability sample. Is it clear to all of you? So now you have selected the 5 individuals. Okay. Now, suppose you have selected these 5 individuals. And when you want to collect the data, okay, at that time you will find that is some of the individuals are not present. Therefore, what is important? That is the sampling with replacement. Okay. So you can write down the selection choice 1. D selection choice 1. Next is selection choice 2. So now you have find but what is 1? Oh, very good. Okay. So this is called the random sampling with replacement. Okay. So if A is not available, then you can select another individual. Is it clear to all of you? Or any question? And if you think only that D is the fixed, you do not want to change. Show the random sampling without replacement. So you do not want to replace your sample. But in case of, if you think about the selection choice 1, selection choice 2, selection choice 3, then there is enough scope for the replacement. Okay. And what is the basic assumption? That is, each individual has equal chance to be selected in your analysis. Is it clear? Or any question? Is it clear? Sujan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the 5 individuals. Now the problem lies here. You have to collect data from the 7 individuals. Then how do you solve the problem? You have 26 individuals. Maybe this is your population. And you have to select only the 7 individuals for your sample. Then how do you do?
So the same way we go with random number generation from 1 to 7.
Okay, you write down.
So,
So that your friends can see it. Have 7 both are missing.
sorry, sir.
Okay. So repeatedly you have to search. You have to generate the random number. And when you get all the numbers, then you can select for the fixed random number. Is it clear now? You have tried, but you do not find the 7. Then another alternative. So you go to the B2. So it is written 1,5. You write, oh, you have not written 1,7.
Sir, in the older one, it was 1,5. In the newer one, in G2, it's 1,7.
Okay, then you copy and paste.
Which one, sir?
This
1,7.
total.
This is copied and pasted in the fixed random number.
But your 7 not coming.
7 is here, sir.
Where is 7?
In
B7.
H7.
In B, there is no 7.
Yes, sir. So instead of putting it here, I have done the next one here, sir. Random numbers are generated again.
Oh, you have written here. Achha,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Yes, then it is fine. Okay, thank you. So Shindu has joined now. So you have understood the probability theory. You have understood how to generate the random number for the sample selection. Okay, and again, you have understood how to code the data by using the quartile deviation. Okay, thank you, Shindu. Thank you, Sujan. Thank you, Pada, for
You're
your
welcome,
support.
sir. Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay. Acha, I have given the assignment in the Google Classroom. So I'm requesting all of you, please you solve it. Then you can understand better. Okay, good night. My best wishes to all of you.
Good night, sir.